Hello guys, my name is Satan Singh. These are my partner. I arranged a group of. I talk about something. The head of states, Mr. Daulat and Mr. Man Singh and Mr. Prakash and Pratap Singh and other Mr. Joshad and Pradeep Singh. So I write some points about the head of state. First points I required the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan's because he arranged all rights of peoples and others are corrupt men and all rights and taking from poor family and others. Second point that I request our best beauty of Karunjar mountains. The government of Sindh they dismantle this because he required stones, marbles for earning money. So, I said that the beauty of Thar does not dismantled. And third point that's I request the head of state. So I required the books in the government schools. I request education minister. I told that the education minister. So books because in government schools students are belongs to poor family and some of the students are belongs to rich family and. Fourth points in our city, in our Sindh city and others in our Pakistan's in cities, water in the rainy days and water is present in the streets and students and many students and people are going and walking and face the problem. I request so that is removing from the street and people are easy walk or journey. And fifth points that about the in the Sindh many students are highly intelligent and some are students are dull. So because I request that the education minister highly intelligent students those are going up the at the scholarships and moving from other country and journey from other countries. So highly intelligent. Thank you.
Hello, my dear friends. Today I will talk about how a minister, a head of state, should not do things. First of all, a head of the state should not rob the rights of other people, like poor, and the head of state not. As Mr. Sardar Singh already talked about the beauty of Karunjar. The Karunjar is the most famous rock in our near D, and as you saw, the foreign countries people comes to saw the beauty of Karunjar, and the people destroy there for earning money, and that's why we should take a step on this, and we and we stop to we stop to break them.
The second point is that the state of head should not do corruption.
Kashman in front of you, and today I am share my idea that Thar needs water. So there are only 2 or 3 months which are rainy season, and except other 8 or 9 months people do not have water to drink. So I request that Minister of Uttar Pradesh should need to give wells, hand pumps and summer pumps for in village of Tharparkar, so people should not face the problems of water. Thank you.
Should not ropes and other rights.
Everyone, my name is Pankaj. So today we have arranged a little conversation regarding the topic what should the state minister do and what should not. So these are my group partners Manoj Kumar and this Bhupat Singh, and this one is Krishan Singh, Sanjay Kumar, Madan Kumar and Raj. These will all tell you what should the state minister do to serve the nation, to serve the people. Manoj Kumar.
They should sustain unnecessary protocol and governmental expenditure. They should avoid the corruption of the assistant officers of state minister.
Hello, dear. My name is Mansingh. Today, my fourth point is people should make regarding traffic to generation to generation. Hello, dear. My name is Mansingh. My second point is people should aware regarding traffic to generation of children.
So guys, my third point is a request to the Prime Minister, and please give me schools and hospitals for the boys of public.
Hello guys, my name is Sanjay Kumar. So my fourth point, they should build the hospital and aware the medical facility to serve the humanity and any grade or corruption etc.
Guys, my name is Raj Kumar. I will talk about some problems of village. In village, not avail the hospitals and schools. There is a problem. The village men in the very difficulties. So that I request to the Prime Minister to serve the hospital and schools in the village.